The internet right now feels like a flood. AI tools, fake influencers, podcasts that auto-generate themselves. But underneath that noise, something deeper is taking shape. Not just new content, but a new environment. Oh, and please pardon me. I am using an AI voice because I am not used to speaking in the mic yet. In this video, I'm going to decode the AI creator economy. Not from the surface, but from its mechanics. I will try to make this video short because your time is precious. This isn't about trends. It's about systems, and what happens next. Let's start with what most people see. AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot and even DeepSeek. AI influencers with millions of views and no human face. Video editors that turn a tweet into a TikTok in 20 seconds. To the casual eye, this just looks like the next phase of social media. That is faster, easier, scalable. But that even misses the real story. What we're witnessing is the fusion of identity, attention, and automation into something more foundational. If you can understand this, you will know how to succeed. Social media content is no longer just content, it's becoming infrastructure. The infrastructure of attention, which will influence thoughts, actions, and behavior. And whoever understands that architecture controls the signal. In the past, to scale means to have growing teams, bigger budgets, and wider distribution. Now, a single person can use the right stack of AI tools and run what looks like a media company. The creator becomes a system operator. The AI generates a script from the idea. The script is transformed into voice. The video, captions and thumbnails are all partially automated. Tools aren't just assistants. They're part of a creative supply chain. And this supply chain can be operated with low effort. We're starting to see a powerful shift in the way content works. It's called content arbitrage. What does that mean? It means finding undervalued content, something that hasn't been noticed or appreciated in one place, and repackaging it for a different platform, audience, or culture where it becomes much more valuable. This isn't new. People have always done it. But today, it's happening faster, across languages, cultures, and formats. You might take a great idea from Korea, translate it, and remix it into a short YouTube video for the US, and if you do it before others notice, you win. In the past, content arbitrage felt spammy, just recycled posts. But the next phase is different. We're entering an era of intelligent intellectual property. What on earth is that? Once you turn an idea into a video, an article, or a framework, it becomes intellectual property. It's no longer just a thought. It's something you own. Something that can spread, scale, or be monetized. The content being intelligent also means that it isn't just smart. It's designed to move through smart systems. Like YouTube. YouTube doesn't act like a library. It acts like an algorithm. It decides what people see based on behavior, trends, and AI. So if you want your ideas to reach people, your content must be clear enough for humans, structured enough for machines. That's intelligent IP. It is content built for distribution. Catching a glimpse of this will allow us to understand the future media environment. But we will explore this further another time. But here's where it gets strange. Who is the creator when the face is synthetic, and the voice is cloned? What happens if the creator isn't a real person but an AI face and a cloned voice? We are entering an era where your presence can be created. The idea of identity, which is used to be tied to real people, is now something you can design. The strategy may not be in performing. It's designing a character that performs on its own. Think of it like a brand character, like a superhero. Still, this is just one way to approach the future. So what's really going on here? It's not just about using AI to work faster. It's about bringing everything together, attention, identity, and tools, into one system that works. First, you need to know what people care about. That's the attention lever. Knowing what topics are hot, what people are searching for, what they stop to watch. Then comes identity. Crafting a voice or persona that feels real, trustworthy, or just interesting. Someone people want to hear from. Finally, there's AI. The tool that lets you create more, faster. It's how you show up everywhere without burning out. But here's the thing. Basic content, like simple tips or recycled motivation, is everywhere. And AI will flood the internet with even more of that. What really stands out is something deeper. People who can cut through the noise and make sense of what's happening. People who can connect ideas and turn scattered thoughts into a clear story. And especially those who can say, here's what it all means, and here's what you should do next. That's the new edge. If you want to keep up with where things are headed, try changing the question you're asking. Don't just ask, what should I post to get more views? Ask instead, what kind of content will actually matter in the world we're moving into? Because the top creators in the next decade won't just be the funniest or the loudest. They'll be something else entirely. People who can spot where attention is going. People who know how to get their message shared, not just seen. And people who build a brand that grows with every post. It's not about pumping out endless content. It's about understanding the game early and playing it smart. If this helped you see how AI is really shaping content behind the scenes, you might be wondering, how are people finding videos, or more importantly, how are they being led to them? Social media platforms may be changing, quietly, but in big ways. In the next video, I'll break down how content gets discovered in today's AI-driven world, and what that means for anyone trying to get noticed. As the world shifts toward individual wealth and creative power, I'm here to explore the change with you, decode it for you, and help you stay a step ahead. Thank you for watching.